Okay, so one thing we want to do is clean the mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensors can cause shifting issues with the newer model transmission. So always make sure that if you have a shifting issue and you don't have any codes, that you clean your mass airflow sensor. Get this put back on there. Reason I'm showing you this is because you know, a lot of times customers come to me with shifting issue, and these are things we do. Sometimes it takes care of problems and sometimes it doesn't, but it's something that you could do yourself and maybe not have to wait a month to get it into a shop, or have to pay a shop you know, to just pull that mass airflow sensor out and clean it.